This little bad boy here is the end tuning chip for the ECU. The ECU is underneath this tray. There's 4 screws to hold it on, and this is the ECU here. Right, I'll disconnect the battery here. Okay, so there's 2 nuts, one on each side. I think pop this. No, you pull this back. Go like that. You pull it. There you go. And that's the ECU. So let's split it now and put this chip in. So over the bench now. Nice tidy bench as always. Let's just bend all these tabs back, and then
this is actually a TDS ECU that ended at ENDTUNING sourced for me.
Okay. You may not have to take all these screws out, I don't know. I've never seen in here before, so I just want to take them all out just in case. This is our chip. Okay, so looking at these, see this chip on the left hand side here says 404, 355 404, and the replacement chip also says 355 404 on it. So do one out, and then there's a wee notch there. There's another wee notch pointing to the bottom. So right. Okay, back in there like that. Put the back of that in. Push down. Look at that. Right, let's see if it starts.